the Mother&Son Co. अभी रात के 2:30 बज रहे हैं. मेरे क्रिएटिव जूस फ्लो कर रहे हैं, तो जब फ्लो कर रहे हैं तो उन जूसेस को निकाल के पी लेना चाहिए. That sounds disgusting. I have a huge haul for you today. Why? Because it consists of I think 4 brands: Adidas, Zara, Zudio. There's H&M as well. Cool. So I might as well start जिसके least amount of कपड़े हैं, which is H&M and Zudio. So we all know H&M, but Zudio we actually started to go when we came to Bangalore. Yes. So let's start off with the article which my mom and my sister got for me. It's a shirt. It's a white shirt with थोड़े से print on it. Yeah, as you can see, it's a white shirt. It's just written Paradise Found, and on the back side काफी ज़्यादा print है, lost, and then एक banner है print का और बहुत सारा text है. So this costed them just $2.99. Yeah, just $2.99. We love that. Some price tags, we love that. That was the shirt from Zudio. I think so. I bought this last month, but it's just been sitting like that. So it's about damn time I picked this out. And the ironic thing is, I actually saw this 4 months ago, but because of some reasons, I was not able to buy it. Finally, I got around and bought this. Hey, so first of all, this is a sale piece, and the original price for this is 2,300, but I managed to just get it in 999 rupees, which is amazing. The only reason I bought this color is because I have a lower. So I go to the office, वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा AC होता है, तो I can just wear this. It's like a different kind of upper. I've never had something like this, जिसमें आगे इतनी बड़ी pocket है. Moving on, I really like these articles, and these articles are from Zara, and I bought these yesterday only. So without wasting any time, let me show you the upper. Okay, so this upper is something which I've been looking for since last year. Why? Because I saw Logan Paul wear it, and then also saw someone else wear it, and it actually looked nice. So it's nothing too much, nothing too fancy, but it is expensive. It is a denim upper, a black denim jacket. Yeah, black denim jacket. Ooh la la. This is like very basic, and I feel like सारे लड़कों के पास ये एक होनी चाहिए because it looks very nice. Yeah. This costed me for 2,990 rupees, which is a lot, and इसका काफी ज़्यादा weight भी है. But then again, Zara के कपड़े आप notice कि कलर नहीं छोड़ते हैं, and इनका कपड़ा नहीं खराब होता over the time due to usage. Yeah. So this was the first article, and second article is a lower, because जो मेरा previous H&M का lower था, I actually managed to tear it apart from my thigh. I think so, क्योंकि मैं TT खेलता हूँ. That could have been an issue. So this is, I don't know what this is, but as you can see, नीचे से ये बंद है, बीच में इसमें कार्गो टाइप की pockets है, and okay, on the back it says jogger fit, Zara jogger fit, and this was for 2,990 rupees again, which is very weird क्योंकि jacket और lower एकदम same price का है. It looks very nice, and I have no idea, but यहाँ पे pocket पे इसका थोड़ा सा print है. Yeah, just pause and read it. इसी के साथ we are on our last brand, which is Adidas, and Adidas में हमारे पास एक सरप्राइज है, because I actually bought shoes from Adidas. Ooh la la! Now if you've been following me, or if you know me, you guys know कि I like a bit of extravagant special type के जूते. So yeah, this is why I went with the Adidas Adi 4. Ooh la la! Whatever you're seeing is actually the shoe. Okay, let me actually explain to you a bit. This shoe actually has an exoskeleton, this white part, and then on the inside, which you can see, is a sock type of material which can be removed, and then उसको भी साफ कर सकते हैं. This blue part you see, right? This blue part is the part of this sock. So these look very nice. These are comfortable as well. I wear these at the office. I play TT, I play whatnot, and I walk around and everything. These have been very comfortable as of now, and these costed me 10,990 rupees. So yeah, basically 11,000 rupees. The good thing was, since I got these for 11,000, right? So Adidas had a deal कि if I buy something for 11,000, I can buy something for 2,000. But then उनके स्टोर में 2,000 का कुछ नहीं होता. 2,000 की सिर्फ accessories होती है, and accessories we could not pile or combo with this promotion because of obvious reasons. So I ended up buying this basic white Adidas original की tee, which I've been wearing a lot, and it's very comfortable, and इसका कपड़ा मोटा है, and it has the Adidas logo on top of it as as well. So this costed me for 2,900 or 800. So we ended up paying 800 for this. Otherwise the 2,000 were taken off because I had the shoes. इसी के साथ हम आ गए हैं last article पे अपने haul के, and I really like it. I just worn it once. Boom! Yes, color overload. Exactly. This is basically a hoodie, and it has the Adidas की 3 stripes going उसकी पूरे हाथ पे, and it also has the new stylish Adidas का logo on the chest. Yeah, I don't know, this is like a raincoat material, but it gets very hot in this. I am telling you by experience. And this costed me for 5.5k. Very expensive, but it looks very nice as well. And you can just wear this and you're done, because I don't know how, but it gets hot in this. Well, would you look at that? कम से कम 1-2 हफ्ते हुए हैं and इंसान पूरा बदल जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे हुलिये से you can make out. I don't have that beard anymore. I just got a new haircut. Yes, but I am back because I bought more clothes. Thank you, mummy. Thank you, myself. I'll show you without wasting any time more clothes. So I bought a set from H&M, which is very nice. तो यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा heat बढ़ चुकी है actually. So I had to get new pair of shorts, and I decided to get this Kodak का पूरा set, which is really nice from H&M. I have something similar of NASA. Yeah. तो यहाँ पे इसमें पॉकेट्स पे बहुत सारी कंपनी से रिलेटेड चीज़ें लिखी हैं, एंड दिस सेम पैटर्न में जो मेरे पास दूसरा सेट है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है. एंड देन बैक पे बट के ऊपर छोटा सा कोडैक लिखा है जो लोग देख भी नहीं पाएंगे. सो दिस कॉस्टेड मी 2,000 रुपीज जस्ट फॉर द शॉर्ट, एंड आई थिंक सो ये इतनी एक्सपेंसिव इसलिए है क्योंकि इस पे कोडैक हर जगह है. कोडैक यहाँ है, कोडैक यहाँ है, तो कंपनी का नाम लिखने के लिए ही बहुत ज्यादा पैसे हैं. मूविंग ऑन टू द टॉप. सो दिस इज द टॉप. सामने से बहुत ज्यादा कुछ अच्छा नहीं है, बहुत बेसिक सा लग रहा होगा, राइट, बट देन बूम, पीछे पूरा बड़ा बड़ा कोडैक लिखा है. एंड आई रियली लाइक ये जो प्रिंट है. आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ टू से कि ये क्या प्रिंट है, बट दिस इज लाइक समथिंग प्रिंटेड ऑन अ रबर थिंग, एंड देन उसको ये टॉप पे लगा रखा है. या एंड देन इसके हाथ पे भी, कंधे पे यहाँ पे कोडैक वगैरह लिखा है. और दिस कॉस्टेड मी फॉर 1,300 रुपीज. या बेसिकली इसके पैसे हैं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज आई डिसाइडेड कि आई वांटेड सम लाइट कलर्स, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क कपड़े पहनता हूँ, इफ यू नो मी. तो या जस्ट टू चेंज इट अप आई डिसाइडेड कि आई विल गेट समथिंग इन अ बिट लाइटर शेड. मूविंग ऑन, आई वेंट बैक टू पूमा. आई शुड नॉट हैव, अपेरेंटली फॉर सम रीजन जब से मैं बैंगलोर में आया हूँ तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पूमा के कपड़े खरीद रहा हूँ. आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाई, बट बहुत अच्छे कपड़े मिलते हैं. इसी के साथ I'll show you the first shot, which is very stylish actually, and अभी तक I have not worn this and I have no idea कि मैं इसको स्टाइल कैसे करूँगा, but I've seen something like this for the first time. इसकी एकदम स्क्वायर पॉकेट्स है और एकदम वाइब्रेंट कलर है, पिंक फ्लोरेसेंट कलर का इसका नाड़ा है, एंड आगे से बहुत स्टाइलिश है. आगे इसमें बहुत बड़ी स्क्वायर पॉकेट्स है जिसमें जिप है, तो मेरे को जिप वाली पॉकेट्स एक्चुअली में बहुत अच्छी लगती है. एंड देन ऑन द बैक एज वेल इट इज द सेम सिमिलर, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी स्क्वायर पॉकेट्स. और साइड में यहाँ एक्चुअली व्हाइट बैंड पे पूमा लिखा है. आई होप यू गाइस आर एबल टू मेक इट आउट. एंड आई थिंक सो ये शॉर्ट्स 6,000 रुपीज की हैं, एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर 50% ऑफ, सो 3,000. Still not that cheap. Moving on, I needed another short because shorts का season है. Puma only. I got the Pokemon collection वाली इनकी short, which is very nice. इसमें आगे जेब है, but आगे इनमें zip नहीं है. पीछे वाली जो इसमें जेब है, उसमें zip है. And the biggest selling point is the Pokemon. जो इन्होंने पोकेमॉन रखे, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास बल्बासौर है, पिकाचू है, स्क्वार्टल है, और एक और है, इस बंदे का मेरे को नाम नहीं याद. चारमैंडर. सी आई रिमेम्बर एवरीवन. और लेफ्ट थाई पे यहाँ पे पूमा और पोकेमॉन लिखा है, तो सारे पैसे एज यू नो इसी ब्रांडिंग के हैं. एंड दिस शॉर्ट कॉस्टेड मी फॉर 4,000 रुपीज, सो 2,000. Not bad. उसके बाद I got another short, so I basically got 3 shorts and 1 top from Puma. This is the third and the final short. Very basic, very low key, but still इस पे यहाँ पे Puma branding है, and पीछे कुछ नहीं है, but this is very comfortable and very soft. And I think so this short costed me 2,000 rupees. So do the maths, 50% of that. And lastly, the basic black Puma tee I got is this one. It's nice. I used to have some Puma tees पहले, and this is just Puma की जो pouncing Puma है, I believe उसका logo है इसमें. Cool fit I'd say, black color में. And this costed me for 1,300, so 50% of that. And that is actually it. Finally, believe it or not, there are going to be no more surprise edits. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.